Hello there, welcome to Genesis Models and welcome to another vlog. This vlog is going to be delivery week. Basically, we've had a nice delivery in of a load of bunch of kits that you are going to be seeing in inbox reviews, competitions, monthly competitions, GB competitions, all sorts of kits. So let's take a look at what got delivered. First up, I'm just going to jump straight into what is the bad boy in this one, which is probably the one you've all probably been looking at and waiting for and probably wanted to get your hands on, and that is Edard's brand spanking new limited edition, the Spitfire Mark 1 in 1/48 scale. It's a brand new tool for this year. They've started it off with this limited edition where there's basically two Spitfires in here. We've got some photo etch, we've got this kind of like special resin pilot as well. We are going to do an inbox review of this probably very soon. It's probably going to be an advanced inbox review as well. It didn't come with this, but I did buy this separately, which was the look. We've already done a product review of this and it really did look rather cool. Just to sort of show you, there is lots of cool stuff in here. We've got a really sort of nice instruction book, and we've got loads of actual information about the aircraft itself. But what's really cool is we get all of these markings, right? There's absolutely loads. You do get two kits in here, so it is giving you loads and loads of markings, as you can see there. Really excited this. I'm going to probably start this straight after this video and try and get it up this week or next week, so hopefully you're looking forward to that one. Next up, we've got a couple of nice little Airfix ones here. I did get in the Pole Defiant Mark 1. We have already seen this kit, but I was kind of thinking it could be maybe some sort of a build or a giveaway or something, because we are starting a whole brand new GB soon, and that is going to be about the Battle of Britain, so kind of going with that theme a little bit. Then we've got this here, nice little 1/72 scale Douglas A4BQ Skyhawk, 1/72 scale by Airfix. That looks like a nice little kit as well. We'll see what we'll do with that one. Then we've got a whole bunch of armor. We've got, a fair bit of armor here, some nice big armor kits. We have the good old Ming models. I do like Ming models. They do produce a lot of nice kits. What we have here is the British FV510 Warrior, and this is got the, I do believe it's the advanced infantry fighting vehicle, which is, the most up-to-date one with all the Gucci stuff on there. That's also looking good. It is kind of like, shall we say, AK Interactive does all the colour schemes and everything for it as well, which is quite a nice partnership just there. Another one, a kit that I've always wanted to do, hopefully I might be able to do it, but it's a King Tiger. This one's also by Ming Models as well. They do a really good one of the King Tiger. This one's in 1/35 scale, looking rather cool. Again, we've got AK sort of doing all the colour schemes as well with that one. And our last kit, again, it's Ming Models. I just like Ming Models at the moment. They're really sort of bringing out good kits. I've been building that Leopard 2 A7 1/35 scale by Ming Models, and it really is going together a right treat. So I'm liking them when it comes to armor. And as you can see here, we have the M1a2 US main battle tank Abrahams. It's the Tusk 1 Tusk 2, so we're looking like a nice up-to-date M1a2 Abrahams, again 1/35 scale, looking really cool. Can't wait to sort of get that open and do some inbox reviews. These will all be inbox reviewed. Some of them will be advanced inbox reviewed. As I say, I might be building some of them, and I probably be giving away as competition prizes and all that good stuff. So I'm now going to go off and I'm going to actually start doing a advanced inbox review of our Spitfire bit here, because as I say, we're starting a whole brand new Battle of Britain group build. Should go well with that, and this is going to be my first advanced inbox review. If you don't know about advanced inbox reviews, it's a new format we're starting here. I did put it to you guys with your feedback and you all like the idea, and the Spitfire is going to get that first lovely advanced inbox review treatment. Advanced inbox reviews is basically I do the normal inbox review, but then I will go off and build it, right? I won't go off and sort of do the whole, you know, spraying it, painting it, weathering, all that kind of stuff. I'm just going to build it bare plastic, just so as we can have a more advanced look at the build and just see how it all goes together, see if we've got any fit problems or anything like that. I'll probably turn the camera on if I find a fit problem, and I'll show you how to tackle it, and then I'll turn the camera on at the end when it's built, and we can have a real proper good look at how it's going to look when it's built, to really give you a more advanced, in-depth look at the kit and what it's all about, and not just to be able to me go off and go, yes, the kit looks fine, big thumbs up, but to also go off and go, it fits lovely or it fits bad, to really get to know a kit even better. And this is a good start, good example. Plus there's two in there as well, so I could actually probably build one up all nice as well. Fingers crossed if I've got the time. But sadly, that is it for our little delivery week in our vlog here, and hopefully you'll be seeing a load more videos as they come along this week and the week after. But until next time, as always, my name is Bobby Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.